We are so excited about a new program here at Fmis. We are beginning an Eagle Ambassador program, and we hope that you will be encouraged to apply and participate in this program. Here's what you need to know about the program. Fact 1. There will be 2 students, one male and one female, chosen from each homeroom. Fact 2. Every student will be trained for every duty they will be asked to do. Fact 3. Ambassadors will give tours to new students who enroll throughout the year. Fact 4. Ambassadors will help new students get used to FMIS by being an extra buddy for a couple of days. Fact 5. Ambassadors will help maintain FMIS as a safe place to learn and play for everyone. Fact 6. Ambassadors will help during special events at FMIS. Fact 7. Ambassadors will build leadership and communication skills. Fact 8. Ambassadors will exhibit all 6 of the character pillars: respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, trustworthiness, and citizenship. Fact 9. It will be a privilege to be an ambassador, so students will need to continually live up to the standards agreed upon during training. And then finally, Fact 10. You can be an ambassador. Here's how you become an ambassador. Step 1. Get an application from your homeroom teacher or from Mrs. Miller in the counselor's office. Step 2. Complete page 1 of the application and give that page to Mrs. Miller by Tuesday, August 20th. Step 3. Give a teacher recommendation form to one of your teachers from last year and politely ask them to complete it for you. If they agree, leave the paper with them. They will get the paper to Miss Miller by Friday, August 23rd. Do not leave one of these papers for a teacher you currently have because they don't know you very well at this point. Step 4. Give a teacher recommendation form to one of your activity teachers from last year and politely ask them to complete it for you. If they agree, leave the paper with them. They will also get the paper to Miss Miller by Friday, August 23rd. Step 5. Listen to the announcements the week of August 26th through 30th to see if you have been chosen. Step 6. Those who are chosen will be called to a meeting to receive information that your parents will need to sign, and then you will return that they have agreed for you to participate. Step 7. Return that paperwork to Miss Miller within 2 days of receiving it. And Step 8. Attend the first training session on September 5th at a time that will be announced at a later date. We are very excited about this program. We have lots of great leaders here. We have lots of people who are Eagle Strong here. We want these people to be our ambassadors and set the best foot forward in helping other students become the best they can be. I look forward to seeing your application, and be sure and get those in a timely manner. Thank you.